Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Robinhood meme coin full guide. Open Robinhood, fund your account, and enable crypto trading. Search the exact meme coin ticker, review price charts and liquidity, then decide between a market or limit buy order. Set a clear budget, consider fees, and avoid chasing price spikes. Use small test buys first, keep records for taxes, and always practice risk management with meme coins. In this video, I will explain how to buy Robinhood meme coin full guide. Start by verifying the token contract and community channels to avoid scams. Compare market cap and volume to gauge liquidity and price stability, and watch for sudden spikes that indicate pump activity. Use limit orders to control entry price, set stop rules mentally, and never invest more than you can afford to lose in speculative meme coins. In this video, I will review how to buy Robinhood meme coin full guide. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on research instead of chores. It offers voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction that keeps your space tidy while you monitor markets. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to buy Robinhood meme coin full guide. Choose between market and limit orders based on urgency and price sensitivity. If price moves quickly, split purchases into several smaller buys to average cost and reduce regret. Track confirmations and be ready to adjust orders if liquidity dries up. Keep an eye on fees and slippage, and plan your exit strategy before entering a speculative position in meme coins.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.